They call this the Slim Elegant Massage Gun, and today we're going to review the Yunmai SE Massage Gun. This week we are talking about the Xiaomi Yunmai SE Massage Gun. So SE stands for Slim Elegant, and this is no joke as they actually market the massage gun like this, as you can see in the manual. Out of the box, the Yunmai comes with a very decent carrying case, which makes it easier to carry it handheld. And inside the case, you have the gun, the heads, and also the charger. The charger for this version comes with a EU adapter. The package also comes with the charging pod where you can dock the massage gun and also the remaining hat applications, and you can leave it at your desk while it's charging. A standard gun-shaped design and smooth one-piece body with built-in battery was the choice for this model. The plastic feels smooth and premium and not the usual cheap plastic material that some devices have. The same goes for the heads. They are in a plastic body with a soft rubber coating with a good choice of material that feels smooth to the touch and on the skin, and it does feel like a premium plastic was chosen to build these hat applications. This leads me to believe that Yunmai took some thought into the choice of materials and didn't just choose the cheapest components to design the gun. It weighs in at 840 grams, which is kind of standard for a full-frame massage gun. It comes with a 2900 mAh battery which fully charges in about 90 minutes and lasts me the whole week with a single charge, using it about 12 to 15 minutes every day. In terms of stroke length, although there's nothing in the manual that specifies what is the stroke length measurement, I did measure it myself. And the way that I measured this was I applied a tape strip on the table, and then using the flat shape head, I draw 2 points. One point with the head completely pushed in, and then another point where the head had traveled forward. Now I know that this might not be the most accurate way to do it, but the results won't be too far off, and maybe there's just a 1 millimeter margin of error. It comes with 5 speeds, 3 standard massage speeds, levels 1, 2, and 3, and 2 special massage speeds. The 2 special massage speeds, what they are basically doing is they are doing an interval between higher and lower speeds. So basically what they're doing is they're cycling between lower speed to higher speed to lower speed to higher speed. Speed number 1 going a little bit lower in terms of speed, and then speed number 2 going to the highest speed setting. Although I found this interesting, I didn't see any particular advantage with this, and I kept manually adjusting the speeds between 1 and 3 depending on the techniques that I was doing. In terms of stall force, it is not a very powerful gun, and I could easily stop it with my hand in all 3 speeds. So I will do my standard chest release stall test. Speed number 1. Okay, fairly easy to stop. Speed number 2. Also easy to stop. And then speed number 3. Okay, so I do need to put a little bit more effort in speed number 3 to stop it, but I do feel that the amount of pressure that I used to stop it on speed number 3 is more than enough to reach a deeper level of massage. As I mentioned before, majority of the users with massage guns will not need to press that hard into the muscle tissue to achieve great results, and therefore I do feel that in spite the gun is easier to stop on speeds number 1 and number 2, it still gets the job done. It's a pretty quiet gun, and for the first time I actually installed a decibel meter app on my phone to test it out. So it states that it has only 45 decibels of noise, so let's give it a quick test. So I've got a sound meter on my phone that I'm going to use to check the sound of the gun, how loud is it. And I'm going to start by being silent, measure the room environment sound, and then I'll start the gun between speeds 1, 2, and 3 and measure how high does the sound go. So even though you can see that the meter goes up as I go up on the speeds, using the mic just next to the gun, you can feel that the gun is pretty quiet and you won't disturb your neighbors by using the gun. The final verdict is that the Yunmai massage gun is a slick looking and functional massage gun, and although it lacks the punch of some of its contenders, it still gets the job done. And I had a good time using it and managed to do my recovery and soft tissue work as good as I would do with any other massage gun. It appeals to a more sophisticated consumer who is looking to favor design over power, and it sets out to approach the home user consumer market rather than the fitness niche. At the time of this video, I hadn't received the price and the sales page yet, as they have sent me this as a prototype format. So I'll be updating the description down below with the information of their sales and also the price of sale. So make sure to check out the description in the future. A subscribe to the channel would be awesome, and if you haven't liked this video, please like and share the video. And remember, the more you move, the better you get at it, and I will see you on the next video.